Today, we're going to talk about Alphabet. So, what is Alphabet? Alphabet is a collection of companies, the largest of which is Google, assembled under one parent back in October. Other subsidiaries of Alphabet were previously owned by or otherwise tied to Google. Some of these companies include Nest, Fiber, Calico, Google Ventures, Google Capital, and Google X. Headed by Google co-founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin, Alphabet plans to expand by adding other companies with revolutionary, innovative ideas. So, you may be wondering, why was Alphabet even created in the first place? Well, regular old Google is in the internet services industry, while many of its former subsidiaries, now its co-subsidiaries under Alphabet, did business in other trades. Alphabet allows a newer, slimmed-down Google to be cleaner and more accountable. The idea is that with each subsidiary now operating as its own separate business, they will each be able to prosper independently to heights unattainable under the previous structure. One of the many reasons Google is successful is their ability to orchestrate effectively. Orchestration is where a firm pursues an opportunity, not by buying out corporations or controlling required resources, but by assembling a network of partners, only manageable by the firm itself. In essence, orchestration is creating a new game, effective and simple enough to join, yet still complex enough to prevent others from successfully replicating it. It's not about simply playing the game. It's about creating a new game and keeping the other players in it. Strategic orchestration allows firms to get to market faster, adapt to changing circumstances, and lower their invested capital. And Google's not the only one to do this. There are other famous corporations, such as Apple, Nestle, and Ryanair, that have and are currently using the benefits of strategic orchestration to their advantage. So how does Alphabet orchestrate? Alphabet satisfies customer needs by organizing end-user data from a bunch of sources into a central location, and using predictive data, they are able to make searches and other tasks easier and faster to complete, while also setting the stage to allow other organizations to play its game, or to use its platform, of course. They also partner with companies such as SpaceX and Magic Leap to equally benefit from the patented futuristic technology that are in the midst of being built. Now, there are other companies that Alphabet orchestrates with that continually help them become the large corporation they are today. But let's talk about some of the other tools Alphabet uses that have helped it become what it is today. Aside from being able to effectively orchestrate, Google has also been able to successfully implement other vital tactics, such as active waiting. Active waiting is when a business waits and prepares itself, so when the time comes, they can properly act on the imminent golden opportunity, or even potential death threat that's projected to come. Google's original founder's letter read, "Google is not a conventional company. As part of that, you could expect us to make bets, at certain times, in areas that may seem very speculative or even strange when compared to our current businesses." Through this, Google has been able to enter unimaginable fields like home technology, Nest, biotechnology, Calico, and artificial intelligence, Google X. So when you're deciding on whether to orchestrate or not, remember, there's never been a one-man band that's been able to play Mozart's Don Giovanni more beautifully than a perfectly in-sync orchestra. Your goal should always be to be the one holding the baton. Look to orchestration to shine light on the right decision. After all, you don't want to be the next Apple Maps.